Disclaimer before we start, I have dyslexia, so my speech is like really fucking bad. This is my first video on this channel about IDB related kind of like shit. And please do not harass anybody in this video. I don't know what happened previously in the other matches. So yeah, and everybody in this match was like really funny and chill. I don't know about 8, you'll see what I mean. So yeah, without further ado, let's start the video. And also, I do not act like this in Copycat, I swear to God. Oh, Buster, this is gonna be fun. Oh my God, I've been dreaming about this. Oh, I've been fucking dreaming about this. Oh. Okay. How am I gonna be freaky enough? Oh wait, bro, I have an idea. My bad. I have an idea. I am muting myself because I have an idea.
Must not ever hate getting sick.
Hey guys, what's up? Oh my God. Hi, what's up?
I heard that clearly. One of you bitches said eel.
Hi.
And I want to make sure
It was me. I said, okay, but guys, why are we all together? There's a vagrant. There's a vagrant. I'm calling. I'm calling. Okay, so sorry to disturb everyone, but I've been seeing people stick together a lot, like in big groups, and I was worried for the vagrants, so I called this meeting to cancel the farting thing.
God, I am gonna roleplay. It's good.
This meeting. Never mind, I lied.
So I written a song for y'all. Thank you guys for cooperating for this video. But here's my really banger song. Okay, I shake, gripping the microphone. I cough and clear my throat, tears flowing with stage fright. Then I remember that this is my goal, to bring a smile to people's face. I look back to the crowd, and I remember it all. And then I open my mouth, and then I began to sing. It's so crazy, my life's so lazy. I'm rocking the floor, I'm dancing the night tonight. I'm free, we'll rock the station night.
The way my smile drops.
going on about my day until number 9 and her best bud, number 6, 2 ugly best friends. They listed eel when I passed by when I was trying to do my task, and for what? It hadn't even been a full 5 seconds in, and someone said eel to me, and guess what? These 2 bitches are the same bitches from 2 rounds ago. And number 6, when she died, she called me a bitch for no absolute reason.
Oh my
just
God.
Because I happened to kill her as Copy Cat. And I think you both are so mad 2 rounds ago, like because I won. But you guys are so rude, and for what? Because I'm really trying to do my task, and you bitches are so fucking annoying. Like what?
Oh
Why the fuck are you saying ew?
Oh my God.
No one died, so I'm saying we skip. There's not really enough evidence. Well, this is kind of like Among Us.
Or respectfully, I didn't call you a bitch. You're just deep as fuck. And like, we didn't say you when you walked past. We were saying not you, and we weren't talking to you. Nine was talking to me. Anyways, Nine, I wrote you something. Kitting blushes and look away in embarrassment. She feel her cheeks flush at your remark. What is this tiny feeling? It's so weird to her. She's just an art page Discord kitten after all. Never felt such a sugoi affection. Yeah, Daddy, I'm sorry, I love you. Yeah, I need you. She meows in her microphone.
Oh my god.
So basically, meet me in the bedroom. Diddy party there. We all gonna be Diddy, bro. Meet me in the bedroom.
That sounds
Seven,
really
you
freaky.
Really need to be put on a dog.
Yes,
French people
Okay.
in general.
Number 4. Can you please shut up? You are not destined to representation. We did not say you to you. We said you to food because it was disgusting.
French people.
Number 10. Number 10. I am gonna take a gander.
Alone, y'all. In front of Number 7, our only child floated in front of me.
That's racist. First of all,
You play that song? You play that song again?
that's racist. Number 4, you are fucking racist towards French people. French people did nothing to you. You're just mad because number 6 and me are too good for you. We clutch you. You suck.
On the dog.
We got remarried.
Guys, take a chill pill. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay.
Diddy party.
Hi.
You wanna go on a Diddy party?
Nah, I think I'm good.
Sorry, I forgot. Because just I was talking to someone and they walked away.
That's crazy, bro.
I'm gonna go cry.
No.
Bitch, you're a bitch, you fucking fat ass. Literally, I'm so happy you're
I
fucking
saw
dead,
something.
fucking crusty. Like, literally, kill yourself.
So, I was just walking, minding my own business, writing the new song of the century. And then I said number 4, and I couldn't take all this fighting anymore, and so I sliced them, and now they're dead, and 6 walked in on it. Now, the ultimates must work together to solve their friend's death, or arch nemesis. Remember to stream my song on Spotify and subscribe to Candy Edgar on YouTube. Oh my god.
I've never wanted to kill myself more than this match.
What was that? Anyway,
Normally don't like this.
So yeah, I walked on killing 4. I must say I was kind of traumatized because 2 was saying weird stuff like, I was like, oh, well, just gonna get out, you know? And then they self-reported.
I hope it's muted. Can we vote too? I just can't with the voice.
Yes!
Is that what people call a identity V accent?
Oh, bro got diddied, but I'm not gonna lie. Bro did not join my Diddy party, so I think we should vote Candy, Edgar out. And they're low-key kind of freaky, and I don't really like that.
I think number 4 deserved to die because she said French people deserve to be on a leash, and I think that's really mean. As a French person myself, this hurted me really much, okay? And whoever killed number 4, I am grateful, and I will thank you however you want. I can lick your feet if you want.
Alright, so I'm not so freaky as to like feet. However, me and number 8 are allies, and I agree that 4 did deserve to die for what they said. Furthermore, I'm voting too.
Yes!
I'd say we don't vote Bunny because you guys just don't get it. Okay, sorry, that was really good. I say we, I don't think 4 deserve to die. I don't know what happened because, like, as soon as I walked into the chapel, my game just crashed. So I missed, like, the first part of the debate.
Oh, guys.
No,
sorry.
This one
Guys.
Tom was racist.
It was number 6. I'm
she
gonna
deserves to
be
die.
real. Guys, I might have walked on stage
Except
killing
if you
someone.
protect racist people.
It's
I'm
not
not voting for
Why
We're
would you
putting
think
down
it was
2.
me?
And then I need to say something to number 1. I need to say something to number 1.
You guys are all wrong. It was number 7.
Number 1.
Why would you think it's
You
me?
missed
Why do you think it's all about
when
me?
we accused number 4 of being transphobic.
Number 1, can you please vote? I'm staying. I'm getting out.
Number 1, if you don't vote, vote 2
It was
for a
number
cookie.
6.
Vote 2
One,
for a
your
cookie
vote
from a
counts.
chocolate chip cookie.
1, your vote matters.
Sam, do you love
Vote
me?
him out.
Look at me.
Vote 2, vote 2, vote 2, vote 2, vote 2.
Guys, if you put me out, you know you're gonna lose. Yes! 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 Please. I'm pretty sure that's what I'm supposed to do. Yes! 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 Oh my god. I did it. I did it.